There's one word, just one, that can instantly shift how she feels about you. It's not love. It's not beautiful. It's not even miss you. This word is subtle, almost invisible. But when used naturally, it activates emotional intimacy psychology in a way that feels effortless, not manipulative, not forced. Most men never use it, and that's exactly why it works. Today, I'm going to break down the hidden word that triggers emotional attachment and how to use it so she feels deeply understood without you trying too hard. Let's get into it. Before I reveal the word, you need to understand something powerful. Women don't emotionally attach because of logic. They attach because they feel emotionally seen. There's a huge difference between "you're smart" and "I notice how you think differently." One is a compliment. The other is recognition. And recognition is intimacy. Psychologically, emotional bonding increases when someone feels viable, understood, they keep acknowledged, emotional validated. Most guys talk at women. Very few speak in a way that says, "I see you." And that's where the hidden word comes in. Yes. The word is seem, not in a doubtful way, but in an observant way. You seem really passionate about that. You seem calmer when you talk about your family. You seem happiest when you're planning something. Do you see the difference? You're not telling her who she is. You're reflecting who she appears to be and inviting her to confirm or expand. That's powerful. Why? Because you seem opens emotional space. It feels safe. It says, "I'm paying attention. I'm observing you. I'm curiosity." And curiosity is intimacy's doorway. Here's what happens in her mind. When you say, "You seem really thoughtful," her brain processes: 1. He noticed something specific. 2. He's not assuming, he's inviting me to explain. 3. I feel understood without being judged. That combination activates emotional warmth. Instead of defending herself, she opens up. And when she starts explaining herself, she invests. Attachment grows when someone invests emotionally in a conversation. Here's a real-world example. She says, "I don't really like big parties." Instead of saying, "Oh, so you're introverted," you say, "You seem like someone who prefers meaningful conversations over loud rooms." Now she feels seen, understood, connected, and she'll likely respond with something deeper like, "Yeah, I've always been that way." Now you're not just talking, you're bonding. Here's where most men mess up. They overuse it, or they say it in a robotic way. Tone matters, delivery matters, timing matters. You don't randomly insert it every sentence. You use it when, by a kip, she shares something personal about. She expresses emotional about. There's a slight, vulnerable moment. For example, she says, "I get nervous before interviews." Instead of, "Don't worry, you'll do great. Try." You seem like you put a lot of pressure on yourself to do things perfectly. Now she feels understood rather than dismissed. And here's the key. Pause after saying it. Let her respond. Silence builds emotional depth. When you allow her to elaborate, you're giving her space to step closer emotionally. That's how connection deepens without obvious effort. There's another psychological layer here. You seem is confident because it's observational. Needy men seek approval. You are amazing, right? Confident men observe. You seem really driven. There's no validation-seeking energy. You're not fishing for reassurance. You're calmly expressing for you perceive. That calm perception signals emotional intelligence. And emotional intelligence is extremely attractive. It communicates, "I'm not just looking at you. I'm understanding you." That's rare. And rare creates value. Now let's take this deeper. Once she confirms your observation, you anchor it. Example, you say, "You seem happiest when you're helping other people." She responds, "Yeah, I love feeling useful." Now you reinforce it. That's actually one of the most attractive things about you. Boom. You've connected observation, emotion admission, appreciation. That sequence creates attachment loops because now she associates you with being emotionally understood. And here's something subtle but powerful. People feel closer to those who articulate their emotions better than they can themselves. When you put words to her inner world, you become emotionally significant. Let's keep this real. Don't use "you seem" to criticize. "You seem insecure." "You seem dramatic." That kills attraction instantly. This tool is for emotional expansion, not evaluation. Also, don't fake observations. If it's forced, she'll feel it. This only works when you're genuinely listening, which means you actually have to care. And that's the twist most people miss. Psychological techniques amplify authenticity. They don't replace it. Here's how you make this unforgettable. When you say, "You seem really different when you talk about your dreams," lower your tone slightly. Hold eye contact for half a second longer. Then soften your expression. Now it's not just words, it's emotional presence. She'll feel the moment. That moment becomes a memory, and memories create attachment. Not big gestures, not flashy lines, small, emotionally precise observations. The hidden word isn't magic because of the vocabulary. It's powerful because of what it represents. Attention, emotional awareness, curiosity, calm confidence. Most men try to impress. Very few try to understand. Be the one who understands, and watch how naturally attachment builds.